Are you interested in precious metals and metal processes? Do you have the ability to understand the science of electroplating? Can you work to high standards of quality? If this sounds like you, then the occupation of jewellery processing and finishing machine operator might be for you. A jewellery processing and finishing machine operator controls the machines that plate or electroplate items. Plated jewellery is made from a metal such as copper or silver. It's then covered through an electroplating process with a thin layer of a precious metal, usually gold. This form of jewellery, classified as costume jewellery, is more affordable than pure precious metal jewellery. The plating will eventually wear off. Fortunately, when this happens, the piece of jewellery can be replated to restore its original look. Sometimes solid gold jewellery is electroplated to give it a better finish. Jewellery processors coat or plate items of jewellery with a thin coating of metal. Plating can be applied to newly created pieces of jewellery or reapplied to older pieces where the plating has become dull or worn. Most plating is done by a chemical process known as electroplating. Items of jewellery are placed in a special tank containing a chemical solution and a block of the plating metal, such as gold. An electric current is passed through the solution and an amount of the metal is transferred onto the jewellery as a thin coating. Another way of applying plating is by brush plating. Here the electroplating is applied with a brush. Most jewellery plating is either silver or gold. Gold plating can be done using 18 or 24 karat gold. Pure or 24 karat gold is soft, so alloys can be added to harden it. This reduces the purity slightly. White gold is a mixture of gold and another white metal. It often looks grey. To prevent this, it is frequently placed in rhodium. This gives it a bright white look. Plating can also be done in other gold, such as pink or rose gold. Other metals, including platinum, palladium, nickel, copper and brass, can be used for plating. The plating metal used depends on the item of jewellery and on the desired effect. Platinum, for example, is very hard and scratch resistant. Plating can be carried out to different thicknesses depending on the piece and the customer's requirements. There's no set learning pathway for this occupation. Entry may be gained after gaining experience working as an electroplater for non-jewellery items. After gaining experience, progression into the jewellery industry may be made. Career progression for a processing and finishing machine operator may involve moving to a more prestigious jewellery manufacturer or studio. Promotion to the position of supervisor of a team of processing and finishing machine operators may also be an option. Training as a gemstone polisher may also be a prospect. Another route would involve further study and progression to the occupation of diamond and gemstone setter, goldsmith or jewellery designer.